Hello, treasures. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Come, let me show you another delicious and yummy snack recipe you can make and enjoy with your family this season. Today, we are making fish roll. Look at how it's rolling before we got to that fish. Let me share with you how I made this or how to make this. Here I've got some few pieces of frozen fish. I'll go ahead to clean and wash this and then transfer it into my cooking pot. Next, I'll season it with some chopped onions, curry powder, thyme, fish seasoning, and a little amount of salt. Add some water, stir it gently, and cook.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze.
After about 15 minutes, the fish is well cooked. I'll take it out from the fire, take out the bones, and shred the fish into pieces.
Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth and never
I'm done shredding the fish. Now it's time to fry it to make our fish roll filling. So into a pot, I'll add some little amount of oil, add some chopped onions. I'm also using white part of my spring onion or green onions. I'll fry this for about a minute or two with some salt before going in with our shredded fish.
melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices red. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano.
So add some pepper and fry a bit.
Golden crust, soft notes rise. You call it dish each key of spice.
Then season it also with some curry powder, thyme, and a seasoning cube.
Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a
I will stir and mix everything very well. Then cover and allow this to fry and cook for about 7 to 10 minutes.
wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune.
10 minutes later, the fish has fried enough with the seasonings and pepper in it. So I'll go in with some fish stock from the fish, from this fish which I bought earlier on. I'll add that, mix it very well.
A recipe for peace in every
Taste
sound.
for salt and flavor and other things. And yeah, it's very yummy already. So yummy. At this point, the fish filling is ready, but we are not ending it here. I'll go in with some green bell pepper. Yes, this makes this filling very yummy and delicious. You can skip this if you don't like it, but add it. I will advise that you add it. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes, and 2 minutes later we have another thing to add, the last ingredient, spring onions. I'll go in with some spring onions, stir this very well, and put off the gas.
Where love
Yep.
for food is truly profound.
Look at how delicious our fish roll filling is looking. So the next we're going to do is to transfer this or pour this into a flat plate where it can easily get cold or cool. And I'm going to put this in the fridge so as to quicken the cooling, because we are making the fish roll now. While the fish roll filling is cooling in the fridge, let's make our fish roll dough. So into my mixing bowl, I'll sift in 4 cups of all-purpose flour.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.
After sifting the flour, I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix together. Next, I'll add 1 egg into it. Butter, I'm using about 60 grams of butter. I'll mix again before going in with some water.
Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle
I'll
rhythm.
then mix the flour mix very well with the water to form a dough. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements I've used in the description box below. You can check that out.
Hum a tune.
After forming the dough, I'll cover and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before we continue with rolling in the fish.
A recipe for peace in every sound.
Next, I'll sprinkle some flour on my work surface and then divide the dough into smaller pieces according to the number of fish roll I want to make.
Where love for food is truly profound.
Then with my rolling pin, I'll roll each one flat.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spice.
Then here comes the fish roll filling. I will place about 1.5 tablespoon of the filling on the flat dough and then roll it. Keep watching, just watch how I'm doing it.
Is rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure. A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. One thing,
Let's try it again one more time.
every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes.
Always try to seal it well to prevent leakage so that it will not leak or leak into the oil as we're frying. Remember, we're going to fry this.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare.
After rolling all of them, the next we're going to do is to fry our fish roll. Heat up some oil. Once it sizzles like that, if you put any object into it, know that the oil is hot enough and ready to fry anything. So start placing the rolled fish dough into the oil, but do not overcrowd it. After frying on one side for a few minutes, flip to the other side and keep frying and flipping until golden brown on each side or on every side.
Calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where
And also do not fry on a very high heat so that it doesn't just cook only on the outside. Fry on medium to lower heat so that it can fry both on the outside and the inside. Am I making sense?
piano.
And after about 10 minutes, our fish roll is well fried. Take them out from the oil and enjoy as you wish. You can enjoy this with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee in the morning, and you can also enjoy it during the day with a cup of juice. I hope you're going to make this. I hope you're going to try this. It's very delicious. fish roll is very delicious. It's a street food in Nigeria, but
Yes,
very,
very
very
true.
delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe.
Look at
I
that
love you all.
yumminess.
Bye bye.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and